we're going to talk about the biomes. We've already talked about the introduction and the matter cycle, so now it's biomes. So this is going to talk about the major biomes, which are large geographical communities, and talking about their climate. So you can watch this video on your own to see some additional information. It's going to talk about the flora and fauna. So here are the areas which we're going to talk. Tropical rainforest, tropical grassland and savanna, the desert, the temperate grassland and prairie, the temperate woodland and shrubland, the temperate forest, the boreal forest, or the taiga, the tundra, and the marine. So if you look to the right, you're going to see some beautiful pictures. The tropical rainforest. It's tropical looking because it gets lots of rain. So it's made up of 3 layers. The first layer is the canopy, which is above your head. The second layer is the understory, which is the part you see in the middle. And then the third is the forest floor, and that's where you see the things growing on the ground. The rainforest contains about 45% of all animal species. The tropical grassland savanna, as you can see in the pictures, probably doesn't get a lot of rain. It's warm, it's a hot climate. Major vegetation is grass because it can survive in such dry areas, but they do have rainy seasons. They have seasonal fires, again because it's dry, which helps maintain balance, not overgrowth. The savanna is home to various reptiles, rodents, birds, and large mammals such as elephants and zebras. The desert, super dry. As you can see, it's kind of a wasteland. There's nothing out there. Things that have to grow there are things can survive without water. Less than 10 inches a year is what the desert gets. Their high daytime temperatures can be very cold. Because there's sand doesn't usually retain heat. Once the sun is gone, the sand gets cold. So typically you're cold at night. Lots of wind. Tropical animals include insects, reptiles, birds, and various small mammals. Temperate grassland and prairie, beautiful flowers. Temperate varies summer to winter. Moderate rainfall, that's why it has beautiful flowers. But it does have seasonal drought and occasional fires. And fires are not bad. Fires are to control. Natural fires anyway. Not arson, where people set fires. We're not talking about that. We're talking about where it's done by nature. Typical animals include jackrabbits, deer, foxes, coyotes, birds, and many other species. The temperate woodland and shrubland, beautiful pictures as well. Also called the Mediterranean climates. They have hot, dry summers and cool, moist winters. Usually have short trees, shrubs, grasses, and are highly adapted to drought and wildfire. Typical animals include snakes, hawks, coyotes, and mountain lions. Common location is like California, Italy, and Greece. Temperate forest covers about a third of the earth, dominated by trees and woody vegetation. It rains throughout the year. And animals include such things as bears, deer, and rodents. Again, beautiful pictures. The boreal forest in taiga has long, cold winters and short, mild summers. High humidity and precipitation in the summer. They mostly have coniferous trees. Let's try that again. Which are evergreens. Animals include wolves, moose, owls, and bears. The tundra. Extremely short growing seasons, 6 to 10 weeks. Long, cold, dark winters, 6 to 10 months. Think about that. living in the dark for 6 to 10 months. It's a lot. Low precipitation. Snow provides insulation. Wildlife include birds, reindeer, foxes, bears, seals, and walruses. Marine. It covers about 75% of the Earth's surface. And they have various species. Have plants and animals. Typo there. It shouldn't say plants, it should be say plants. They range from size of microscopic organisms to about 100-foot whale. We'll stop there for now for the biomes. Oops. Let me escape so I can